Now you are watching the service of Packers and Movers. Packers and Movers services are the services which help you to shift your luggages from your old home to new home. There are so many Packers and Movers services available in Bangalore. There are so many Packers and Movers services available in Bangalore. Help you in shifting your houses from old one to new one. No need of taking any tension. Simply you have to book the Packers and Movers services through online. After that, they will send a manager to get the list of the things which you are having. After that, their employees will come on the day of shifting. They will reach your home with their packing materials and vehicle. They will pack your things. It is their duty and responsibility to pack your luggages. After that, they will load the things in their vehicle. Then they will transport it from your source to destination, from your old room to new one. In the new location, it is their duty, and no need of taking any tension while shifting the room. See how headache this work is. So if you don't book any Packers and Movers services, it is really very headache to shift your room. See, now they are moving the cot. It is very difficult. Normally people cannot do it alone, but I am showing you one shifting process. See how two people they are transporting this cot. It is very difficult to while shifting room. Starting from packing the luggages, packing the things, and contacting the transport service. And once you reach there, you have to unpack the things and you have to be settled in a new place. All are very, very challenging. So now this challenge is somewhat reduced due to Packers and Movers services. Really they provide a very nice service. Sometimes it is very few Packers Movers services are not good, but almost all are good. And in a new place it is very difficult to while shifting the room. Two things. One is settlement. Once you are settled in a place, if you go to a new place, it might be difficult to cope there. That is one major thing. And second thing, while doing the transportation. So Packers and Movers thing will definitely reduce your burden from the second one, like transporting, packing, transporting, unpacking. Second thing, only problem is you have to cope up with the situation. See now how they are moving the cot from the first floor to the ground. See, and they have expertise in this field: packing, unpacking, transporting. So in 2-3 people they can do it. Now see the vehicle, Packers Movers vehicle. Already few materials are loaded. See how nicely they have packed the things. See, now bed came to the ground floor. It will be loaded in the truck. दिशा दिशा बोलेगा अभी दीदी अंकल वो छोड़ के जा रहे हैं। दीदी और अंकल के साथ बहुत बात किया, घूमने के लिए गया, अभी वो छोड़ के जा रहे हैं। तेरे को कैसा क्या लग रहा है?
नहीं, अच्छा नहीं लग रहा।
हाँ, तेरे को क्या लग रहा है?
हाँ?
क्या लग रहा है? दीदी अंकल छोड़ के जा रहे हैं, क्या लग रहा है?
अच्छा नहीं लगता।
अच्छा नहीं लगता? क्यों?
वो दीदी जा रहे हैं ना उससे।
क्यों अच्छा नहीं लगता था? लग रहा है?
वो दीदी जा रहे हैं ना।
हाँ, दीदी के साथ क्या कर रहा था?
बात कर रहा था, खेल रहा था।
खेल रहा था, बात कर रहा था।
हाँ,
और अंकल के साथ?
हाँ, अंकल का साथ भी बात कर रहा था, खेल रहा था।
अभी वो नया घर जा रहे हैं। बहुत सारे लोग इधर आते हैं, उसके बाद वो छोड़ के जाते हैं।
हाँ,
अच्छा नहीं, छोड़ के जाने का टाइम अच्छा नहीं लगता। And this Packers and Mover service provide job opportunity. Few employees are engaged in this service. Really, it is a very nice service which helps the persons who shift their houses, and it also gives job opportunity to the employees, to the owners. Okay, friends, thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you. Bye.